Welcome to Your Health Matters, brought to you by Meredith Health. I'm your host, Kayla Murphy. Today, Chef Joe shows us how to make veggie lasagna, Dr. Juan Taylor and I talk about the importance of being screened for colorectal cancer, and Chad Smith shows you how to exercise your rear assets. First, we have news. Congratulations to members of the Meredith Medical Center Auxiliary who traveled to Annapolis on March 7th, where they were recognized by the Maryland General Assembly. After, they were treated to a luncheon and given a guided tour of the State House and Governor's Mansion. Speaking of congratulations, Meredith Health is proud to announce that Dr. Heather Lorenzo has been selected as the new Chief Medical Officer at Meredith Medical Center. Dr. Lorenzo has been with Meredith Health since March of 2010 and has served as Chief Medical Information Officer, Physician Advisor to Care Management, Interim Vice President of Medical Affairs, and now Chief Medical Officer. Did you know that Meredith Health supports a parish nursing program? Hear from Wendy Zimmerman, the parish nursing coordinator, and Fran Fox, who has been a parish nurse since the beginning 15 years ago.
I'm Wendy Zimmerman, and I coordinate the parish nurse program for Meredith Health. We started in 1996, and currently we partner with 52 faith communities, and those faith communities represent about 114 professional parish nurses. If you're a registered nurse in the community and you'd be interested in starting a parish nurse program, the best thing to do would be to call me through the hospital, through Meredith Health, and my number is 301-766-7840. There is an educational program that is required, and our next program will be holding in the fall of 2012. So if you're interested in getting more details about that, feel free to give me a call and we can get you started on the right track.
I'm Frances Fox, and I'm a parish nurse at the Hagerstown Church of the Brethren. Most parish nurses are retired because of the time it takes. Not all. You can work part-time, you can give an hour here and there, and you design your program according to the number of nurses you have. It's a volunteer service usually. Most churches don't pay for parish nursing, but it's a volunteer and you get back much more than you ever give. Here we have an emergency setup. We have a role for the ushers in case of we have somebody that needs help right away. We do a blood pressure screening the first Sunday of each month, and we have really come up with some pressures that our parishioners were really surprised of. One in particular, he thought it was just it's not going to happen next time you take it. So after about 3 months, and we do give them a documentation of their pressure to take to the physician when they see him. He did call his doctor. He was put on his blood pressure medicine, and the doctor said, I think those parish nurses saved your life because you had a high blood pressure. We do not particularly do hands-on nursing. We promote health resources for you that would work for you and your need.
Now, on to the announcements. Every year, there are more than 500,000 babies that are born prematurely. Meredith Health is doing its part to combat this issue by forming a team to walk in March of Dimes, March for Babies. Please join us by going to marchforbabies.org, clicking on Join a Team, and searching for Meredith Health. The event will be held Saturday, April 28th at the Hagerstown Fairgrounds. All proceeds raised go to programs that help moms have healthy, full-term pregnancies. Divorce can be very hard for children to cope with, so can remarriage. If your family is dealing with the challenges of parenting children of divorced or blended families, come to a community workshop that starts on Monday, March 19th. The workshop will be held at Robinwood Professional Center, Suite 122, and will be from 6 to 8 p.m. The cost is $15 per person. To register, call 301-790-8907. 26 million people in America suffer from diabetes. What's worse is that a quarter of them don't even know they have it. Join us on March 27th in the Robinwood Professional Center atrium for National Diabetes Alert Day. Free diabetes risk screenings will be offered along with preventative information. Call 301-714-4041 to learn more. The next 55 and Up luncheon this month features Dr. Richard Kramer of Oral and Facial Surgery. Dr. Kramer will speak about dental implants at the luncheon on Tuesday, March 27th from 11:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. at Next Dimensions Restaurant in Hagerstown. The cost is $10. To register, call 301-790-8907. Millions of smokers try to quit each year, but only 10% are successful. That's why it's important to seek help when you make the decision to quit. Beat the Pack, a free smoking cessation series, will begin Tuesday, March 27th from 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock p.m. The series will be held in Suite 122A of the Robinwood Professional Center. To register, call 301-790-8907. After the break, Chef Joe shows you how to make a yummy veggie lasagna.